What's up, YouTube? Back here again with another video, and today, another quad box for the month of March. And to my surprise, we are still very much in the month of March. We still almost got, what, 6 days or so? So, let's crack into this bad boy. We just opened her up. Let's see what we got. Oh boy. Ain't that funny. I'm about to laugh. Check this out. Ain't this funny? I got the worst luck in the world. So you see me, you watch me just pull that right out of there. They're sitting right on top, right? And I'm hoping that they're my favorite props sitting there. Okay, so here's the order that I just got from Pyroflip. Sitting over here. So, box still full. Okay, there's Wind Dancer props. Had a trip. Alright, in the package. So that's what I got from another package today. But alright, so we took this guy out. Alright, that's too funny. So we got a Tramp, fantastic VTX. We got the Spiranet V2 circular polarized antenna. This is a pretty good antenna. Nothing wrong with that. I already busted one of them already. You know, these caps, they don't stay on very good. SMA. So there you go. That's two good things so far. Alright, Immersion RC Heavy this month. We got a mystery white box. Oh, looks like a little bolt holder. Magnetic catch cup. So then it holds onto your screw. There you go, that's nice. It's always a nice thing to have. Alright, let me see. Alright, we got our stickers, more Bardwell faces, Super Tech, Rotor Riot, Quad Box, a whole friggin' X-Hover, looks like a Win 5, some more Bardwell faces, Hulkies, 50-55 Hulkies, Hulkie props. There's one, these are all black. There's two Hulkie, there's three black Hulkies. Wow. Alright, we got a set of, these might be 50-48s. 50-50s. These are the 5x5x3 V1S props. Alright, so very heavy prop box, or props this month. So 50-50s and 50-55. Them Hulkies, there's some tough props there. This back in here. I know I'm not a big fan of all these big tough props. I like the smaller ones, but the 50-50s are good to keep around for whatever. Alright, so we got a set of those. So we got 4 sets of props, 3 Hulkies, 1 set of those. Here's our tool. Alright, that's cool there. I think that's going to be... What is that? Let's see. I got the 2mm. No, I think it's going to be a 2.5 millimeter. Alright, so a 2.5 millimeter driver. You know, just a little basic, simple driver there, nothing too fancy. Alright, and we got our shirt. And let's see what this white card has in store. Uh, 15% off at DroneRacingParts.com. So there you go, 15% off at DroneRacingParts.com. Alright, so, you know, the Tramp alone is a $30 Tramp, and this is a $15 antenna. So we got 30, 45 right there. You know, $3 a piece of props, 3, 6, 9, 12, let's just say 10 for easy math. So 45, 55 for props. You know, a couple dollars for these. Say 60. And our t-shirt. So again, I say another worth it. Another box that's worth it. Check this thing out. Alright, so it says Super Tech at the top. And it looks like we got some flight controllers in here. Computer monitors, chairs, Hate. This thing is crazy. This has all kinds of crazy stuff going on. It's like a wrestling fight scene. Alright, so there you go. Pretty cool. A little different. So there you go. That is Quad Box for the month of March. A Tramp BTX. These are phenomenal. I can't believe I got a Tramp in that box and then I bought this one here. So guess what? All my quads are getting updated with Tramps now. You know, a decent antenna. This one's decent. Not too bad. 15%, our shirt, our props, and our tools. There you go. That's all I got. That's Quad Box for the month of March. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.